Hello, everyone, and welcome to this new episode of Implema Talks. My name is Johan Berg, and I work as Business Development Manager at Implema for our SAP business. And today I have a very special guest with us. Please introduce yourself, Anders.
Thank you, Johan.
Introduce yourself, Anders.
Thank you, Johan. Hi, everyone. My name is Anders Heimer. I run the Nordic Presales Solution Advisory organization with data and AI here at SAP in the Nordics.
Thank you. And today we are going to talk a little about SAP Business Data Cloud, and this was a really big innovation or message in 2025, and when it was message in 2025, and when it was announced by SAP. And can you tell me more? Why did SAP make this move with SAP Business Data Cloud?
Okay, last year in February 13th, we launched Business Data Cloud, often named as BDC. But the background is really, we see lots of rapid maturity of AI, and this creates a sense of urgency across industry and for all businesses and organizations. So at one side, technology, platform, more tools, more environment, expanding a lot. On the other side, we see business expects faster decision, autonomous workflow, and measurable outcomes from AI. And with this then, organizations pushing AI at scale, but data is distributed across multiple cloud solution, data warehousing and other environments with each their own structures and data models. It sits in data silos. So this leaves IT organization needs to integrate fragmented data landscape while business expect AI to deliver value and business outcome at speed. So I read a McKinsey report that only 5% of AI project really creates real true business value. So that's a little bit, Johan, where we are. And another important issue is that AI doesn't just need access to data, it also needs access to understanding context around data. So to make it scale and to run AI on your business data, it needs to know how data relates to business processes, business rules, and to priorities, etc. Without that understanding, AI will just be optimized for isolated use cases. So all with that said, to manage fragmented landscapes and to manage data in context and understand data, SAP need a future-proof data foundation. So that really is AI ready. So a year ago in February, we launched Business Data Cloud, and it completely changed how SAP managed data in a new data architecture. So that's really what was needed.
Okay, so by enabling customers to better integrate the data and to increase the quality, get understandable data that makes sense across different sources of the data, then you can much better apply AI on top of it. Yeah, I understand. That's good. And I get the feeling that with this move, SAP also opened up the landscape in a way that it's now also introducing additional technologies or services from other players in the market. Is that correct?
So as I said, we really kind of flipped the architecture. So if you look back over the history at customers, so lots of data sits in data silos at the customer. And SAP, we are even part of that data silos, meaning that it's kind of hard to get data out of cloud ERP or other applications, or it sits in our data warehouse, business warehouse. The customer wants to move that for more advanced machine learning into data lake. So we heard and saw that lots of data, it was more 80% goes into data engineering and data plumbing to get data from different applications inside organizations to make it accessible in a data lake. So what we did with BDC, Business Data Cloud, is that we introduced that the foundation is a data lake. So SAP also has our data lake format with data lake files in BDC. And we also introduced data fabric or the data mesh concept with data products. So with BDC, we introduced the data products. So at SAP, our underneath application, Cloud ERP, SuccessFactors, Ariba, and the others creates data products, and it ends up with data in the data lake. the SAP part. We also introduced a partnership with Databricks, and they were first out more into an open data ecosystem. And we introduced a way to share data from our data lake to Databricks through our catalog into their catalog. So from SAP now with the Business Data Cloud, we can just share data without replicate or copy it. So it's more like a sharing mechanism, and it's a protocol inside Databricks called Delta Share that make this happen. So it truly opened up how we can help customer build a more unified data platform for all their data. And in that, the SAP application delivers data from the applications via data products up to our data lake in BDC.
Thank you, Anders. That's really impressive. I mean, it seems like a Business Data Cloud really enable customers to get a better structured and integrated data that can be addressed with strong AI skills. And not only that, you can also now more openly share your data with other platforms to the benefit of the customers, of course, to avoid the data silos.